Before starting the machine, you must ensure all your daily checks have been completed. All of the internal daily checks can be accessed from this point. Your daily checks are listed in the Quick Start Guide. All the fuses and relays can be accessed from under the seat. For service access, you can fully open the right-hand panel and rear counterweight as shown. Behind the rear counterweight access cover, we have the service items: air filter, water separator, oil filler cap, coolant expansion bottle, battery, engine oil dipstick, battery isolator and fuel pre-filter. Behind the right hand access covers, we have fluid levels and fill points, radiator cap, hydraulic tank filler cap, fuel filler cap, hydraulic oil level indicator. And that's how to understand the new 1 to 2 tonne mini excavator range. Remember, if you are ever unsure, refer to your operator handbook or contact your local dealer. Thanks for watching.